Alright, next thing that we will fix is our bullets. Because right now when our bullet hits ground or something else, they are not disappearing. And that's not exactly what we want. We want them to disappear, obviously. And also we have one more problem. The enemy, when we kill it, he goes a little bit towards our player. This problem we had before, but we fixed that already. But now since we added the now miss agent is trying to find out what player, even after he's dead. So that's why this problem is here. And we will fix both of them in this video. Now, first of all, let's fix bullets, and it will be very easy. So let's go in the scripts. Let's find the bullet script. And we have the own trigger enter. We are destroying our bullet but we are checking for the enemy only here and here. And well, if we hit something that is not enemy, we should still destroy our bullets. So we can say here destroy game object just like these. And also we will say one here, destroy game object for the triggered collisions. And that's pretty much it. We can save the script and allow. Let's go back, let it compile, and let's check if everything is working. Let's hit play. And let's shoot A. Yeah, indeed, our bullets are disappearing. Let's kill this one not to bother us. And yeah, we don't have any kind of armor. Okay, now we have. Hey, yeah, they are indeed disappearing on the ground as well. On this cube as well. Yeah, as well. Okay, very nice. Everything is working with this bullets. Now, next thing that we should fix, as I said, is with the enemy. So let's open enemy controller. And it will be very simple as well. So we have the agent, which is now miss agent. So let's scroll all the way down. We are having taking some damage. And here, after we disable collider, we just need to say agent.enabled equals false. And let's say the script. And now everything should be fixed with our game. Let's compile. Let's kill our monster. And let's kill him. Yeah, indeed. He's not moving anymore after he's dying. Yeah, that's pretty much it. What I don't like, I think I was shooting is a little bit too slow. So let's open player and let's find player shooting. We have time between shots to be 0.2. I will make it on 0.15 and let's say the C. I'll end this video over here. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you won't miss any new videos. See you in the next videos.